Hello traders, this is Géza from Profit Scenario. In this short tutorial, I'd like to show you my tips on how to use MT4 trading platform with MT4 Intraday Trade Manager script efficiently. Let's get it started. Tip number 1, modifying settings on the fly. So I go to the navigator panel and I choose MT4 Intraday Trade Manager script and just drag and drop it to my chart. Here it is. Usually if you want to modify the settings, you right click anywhere on the chart, select Expert Advisors and Properties, and nothing happens because it's not the way. I just missed an important step. You certainly don't need to reattach the script again. I just simply turn off Expert Advisors in the right top menu here and I start it again. Right click on the chart, Expert Advisors and Properties, and look, I can modify any settings that I want. Risk or distance or really anything. Apply your settings by OK. You have one more thing to do. Let's not forget to enable Expert Advisors again, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, tip number 2, create a template so you can use the same setup on multiple windows. And right click anywhere on the chart, go to template, save template, type a name of it, doesn't matter, I will name it Intraday Trade Manager setup now. Okay, let's do it. I open a new chart, for example an Aussie dollar one. Right click on the chart, I choose template and I load the template, of course, the Intraday Trade Manager one. And there you go. I have the same setup in seconds on another currency pair in a new window. Tip number 3, save it as a profile, so next time you launch your MetaTrader you will see the same setup. Upper menu, you go for File, Profiles, Save As. Name it as a new one or either use an existing one. I use the default one, so do I want to overwrite it? Yes, I do. So next time I start working with MetaTrader, I will see the same setup, including all windows. I won't lose any settings that I made so far. Okay, next tip, tip number 4, set your lines precisely. I find it an interesting one because many times you cannot move all lines exactly to the desired level. You will miss it by a pipette or two. It can be any horizontal lines really. So double click on the line to activate this feature and right click on that, select horizontal line properties, go to parameters tab and type the accurate price in. OK, and it's done. Upper line, the same story again, double click on the line to activate it, then right click on that, horizontal line properties, parameters, modify the price, and that's it. Tip number 5, use unique magic numbers so you can manage each trade separately. Okay, for this I open a new Euro USD chart, for example, and set it up using my template. Let's say I want to scalp on 5 minutes chart, so I switch to 5 minutes. The problem is, if I already have another trade on Euro USD on an hourly chart, for example, and I hit the close all button, the script will close all existing Euro USD trades, and that's what I don't want. So I turn Expert Advisors off and I change the settings in a well-known way. Right click, Expert Advisors, properties, and I modify the magic number for this window. I just type a random number here. And of course I enable expert advisors again. So this way, if I want to close only my scalp trade on this window, but I don't want to touch my other trades on an hourly chart on the same currency pair, I still simply press close all with no problem. The script will only close that euro trade that I opened with this unique magic number. All other trades will not be affected and they will keep running. Well, fellow traders, I hope that you find these tips useful. Play with the chart, try them out before you get serious in using MetaTrader 4. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned with www.mt4trademanager.com.au.